12 foods that will never raise your blood sugar. Have you ever wondered how to maintain steady blood sugar levels, lose weight, or even reverse insulin resistance and prediabetes? In this video, we aim to simplify things for you by sharing 12 foods that can help manage your blood sugar and support your journey toward better health. These foods are not only beneficial for individuals with diabetes, but also for anyone looking to minimize blood sugar spikes and improve overall energy levels throughout the day. Let's dive into these easy-to-incorporate, blood sugar-friendly options. Coconut oil, a metabolism-boosting fat. First on the list is coconut oil, which is fantastic for managing blood sugar. Since it's composed entirely of fat, coconut oil has no direct impact on your blood sugar levels. What makes it even better is that it's packed with medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, a special type of fat that your body processes differently than other fats. MCTs not only provide quick energy, but also help boost fat metabolism, making them an excellent option for managing weight and insulin resistance. Coconut oil is also ideal for cooking because it's highly heat stable, meaning it won't oxidize or break down when exposed to high temperatures. This makes it a healthy and versatile choice for sautéing, baking, or even adding to smoothies or coffee. By incorporating more coconut oil into your diet, you're not only promoting better blood sugar control, but also supporting overall metabolic health. Cheese. Low-carb, high-nutrient option. Next on the list is cheese, and many might be surprised to learn that it's actually great for blood sugar control. Most types of cheese are naturally low in carbohydrates, while being rich in both protein and fat, a combination that helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Full-fat cheeses are especially beneficial because they not only stabilize blood sugar, but also provide essential fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are important for overall health. Cheese is also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it in various dishes like salads, sandwiches, or casseroles, or even have it on its own as a satisfying snack. Its combination of nutrients helps slow down digestion and maintain steady energy levels, making it a great option for those managing diabetes or insulin resistance. By incorporating more full-fat cheese into your meals, you can keep your blood sugar in check while enjoying delicious, nutrient-rich food. Mushrooms. Regulate blood sugar with potassium. Mushrooms are another fantastic addition to a blood sugar-friendly diet. They're incredibly low in carbohydrates and packed with potassium, a crucial mineral that helps regulate insulin and blood sugar levels. Potassium is often overlooked, but plays a vital role in managing how your body processes glucose. Mushrooms are also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can sauté them with garlic and herbs for a flavorful side dish, toss them into salads for an extra nutrient boost, or include them in omelets to enhance both taste and health benefits. Whether you're managing diabetes, insulin resistance, or simply aiming to keep your blood sugar steady, mushrooms are a delicious and nutritious option. Their high-fiber content also aids digestion and slows down the absorption of sugars, helping prevent rapid spikes in blood glucose. Incorporating more mushrooms into your meals is an easy, tasty way to support stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Pickles. Vinegar's role in blood sugar control. Pickles are an excellent option for managing blood sugar, and their benefits go beyond being low in carbs, sugar, and calories. One of the key reasons pickles stand out is because they're soaked in vinegar, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Vinegar helps your cells respond better to insulin, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar levels. When consumed before a meal high in carbohydrates, vinegar can significantly lower the blood sugar spike that would typically follow. In fact, drinking a small amount of pickle juice before a meal can help slow down digestion, allowing for a more gradual rise in blood sugar instead of a sharp increase. This makes pickles an easy and convenient way to help manage your blood sugar, especially when eating carb-heavy foods. Whether enjoyed on their own or as a pre-meal snack, pickles and their vinegar content offer a simple, effective tool for supporting healthier blood sugar levels. Macadamia nuts, healthy fats for steady blood sugar. Macadamia nuts are an excellent snack for maintaining steady blood sugar levels. They're low in carbs and packed with healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats, which are great for stabilizing blood sugar. These fats help slow the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing quick spikes in blood sugar levels. When choosing macadamia nuts, it's important to go for dry roasted varieties that aren't processed with vegetable oils, as those oils can be inflammatory and may negatively affect your health. Macadamia nuts are also versatile, making them a great addition to salads, snacks, or even baked goods. Olives, heart-healthy and blood sugar friendly. Olives are an excellent option for managing blood sugar. Similar to avocados, as a fatty fruit, they are loaded with healthy fats that won't cause blood sugar spikes, making them a fantastic addition to your daily meals. Olives are also a perfect snack if you feel hungry between meals, but it's generally better to focus on larger meals and limit snacking. Giving your body time to rest between meals helps regulate insulin levels more effectively. Whether you add them to salads, enjoy them on their own, or pair them with other foods, olives provide a nutritious and versatile choice for keeping blood sugar stable while also offering the benefits of heart-healthy fats. Wild-caught salmon, omega-3 for blood sugar stability. Wild-caught salmon is an excellent choice for maintaining balanced blood sugar. It's rich in healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and promote heart health. Additionally, salmon is packed with potassium, a crucial mineral for managing blood sugar levels. When you pair protein with healthy fats, as found in salmon, it can help prevent blood sugar spikes that often occur when individuals with insulin resistance consume too much lean protein. Incorporating wild-caught salmon into your meals not only supports metabolic health, but also provides essential nutrients that benefit overall well-being. Whole eggs, the perfect protein for blood sugar. Whole eggs are a fantastic food for controlling blood sugar levels. It's essential to consume the entire egg rather than just the whites, as the yolk is rich in nutrients, including healthy fats and essential vitamins. By eating only the egg whites, you might encounter blood sugar spikes similar to those caused by consuming lean protein alone. The combination of fats and proteins in whole eggs helps stabilize blood sugar levels and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Additionally, eggs are versatile and can be included in various dishes, making them an easy addition to your diet for better blood sugar management. Avocados, fiber and potassium for blood sugar control. Avocados are an excellent choice for blood sugar management. They are low in carbohydrates and rich in fiber, which helps slow the digestion of carbs, preventing spikes in blood sugar. The healthy fats found in avocados also play a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Additionally, avocados are a great source of potassium, which is essential for overall health and helps regulate insulin sensitivity. Interestingly, avocados contain more potassium than bananas, making them a fantastic option for those looking to boost their nutrient intake. Incorporating avocados into your meals can enhance flavor and provide lasting energy without affecting blood sugar negatively. Grass-fed butter, a healthy fat for insulin resistance. Grass-fed butter is an excellent fat to incorporate into your diet. Since it is composed entirely of fat, it won't elevate your blood sugar levels. Similar to coconut oil, grass-fed butter contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can enhance metabolism and help your body utilize fat for energy more efficiently. This is particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, grass-fed butter is rich in fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, contributing to overall health. Including this nutritious fat in your meals can provide flavor while supporting better blood sugar management and metabolic health. Olive oil, anti-inflammatory fat for blood sugar management. Olive oil is another vital fat that won't cause blood sugar spikes. Packed with monounsaturated fats and boasting anti-inflammatory properties, it's an excellent choice for cooking or drizzling over salads. The healthy fats in olive oil can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a smart addition to your meals. When selecting olive oil, ensure that it's 100% pure and free from any blended vegetable oils, which can diminish its health benefits. Incorporating olive oil into your diet can enhance flavor while supporting overall metabolic health, making it a delicious and nutritious option for anyone looking to manage blood sugar effectively. Dark chocolate, a low-sugar treat for blood sugar. Finally, 80% dark chocolate is a delightful choice for managing blood sugar. With a cocoa content of at least 80%, this chocolate is low in sugar and packed with antioxidants. It not only satisfies your sweet cravings, but also offers anti-inflammatory benefits, which can support overall health. The fiber content in dark chocolate helps slow digestion, leading to a more gradual blood sugar response. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as moderation is key. Enjoying a small piece of high-quality dark chocolate can be a delicious way to treat yourself while still supporting your blood sugar control efforts. Conclusion: understanding how different foods affect blood sugar levels is essential for better management. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to support us for more informative content to help manage diabetes. Remember, it's essential to consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Make sure to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know where you're watching from and what you think about this information. Thank you, and wishing you the best health. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and hit the subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue making more informative videos to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.